Hello, this is going to be part 3 of the video of sliding Rota. Now, as I was thinking more and more about the sliding of the Rota, I actually rely on the master tab. But then I remembered that not everybody is using the master tab. They're just changing rotas directly on the main tab. And for me, if I'm to extract the data and put it back in the master tab, it takes me, it's very fast for me, but for others, it might be taking a bit longer. So I'm just going to do another column which skip the master tab and just change the data directly on the main. This way that you can actually just do all the work very, very quickly and just get everything done. Now I've got test 1 and then I've got test 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the column right next to it. Okay. Now what it will do is on Sunday, it will always be reading what is on Sunday because we're not changing Sunday. And then for the rest of the time, it will be sliding. So it's sliding what is actually written on here. Now, I purposely choose this rota with a core time. If it's a core time, you don't need to slide. So what we will do is we will go back to this spreadsheet, and I purposely have highlighted the core time so you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to Control C, Control Shift V, Control Shift V, because you don't need to slide the core time, you see. So I'm just going to be fixing it now. Now this one, as you can see, we don't need to slide the 8 because it's within the 8 p.m. But this one you need to slide. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly copy, Control Shift V, Control Shift V. Now these will be the Sunday ones. Now the Sunday ones, I don't really need to do, but I'll just do it anyway. Okay. Now this one, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock one, I don't really need to slide. Do I need to slide? I don't think I need to slide. I'll leave that for now. I'm confused. Now, once we go back to this, the main tab, let me just make this a bit smaller so you can see. You see here, once I've made the change, it's not sliding the core time anymore here. And if we go to another section, it's sliding the others, which doesn't fit into the criteria. Notice the main slide, you have got 2 different color sets. You have got the pink one, which is the 7 p.m. finish, and you have got the yellow one, which is the 8 p.m. finish. So now what we have to do is, I actually prefer to do this a bit, with the screen a bit smaller. This is how I would do it, but for the video, I would make it bigger. I'm going to do up to May for now. Control C, go back, and then Control Shift V. And all along, I have actually checked if there is any holiday. So, for example, for the test 2, you can see there's a group of holiday here. But that's fine because I took a formula if they actually spotted an error which is not on this list, it will read whatever is on here. So all you need to do, I've got 25 seconds to go. All you have to do is Control C and then Control Shift V. Yeah. I hope this video is useful. I think this is actually a bit better than using the master tab, really. You just get your work done, and afterwards you just delete this and then delete this.